Good morning, students. Today we are here to read some more over the centrifugation machine. You will see that here centrifugation machine, or you can say centrifugation machine is just like your hand blender or mixer. In that, rotation of the liquid will occur and the lighter particles will come up or denser particle will remain in down. Suppose centrifugation machine is used for the test tube having the sample, then the solid particles will be suspended और नीचे की तरफ deposit हो जाएंगे. Okay. In the laboratory, sometimes centrifugation machines are there. Basically, in pathological laboratory for diagnosis of blood and urine test, this machine is used. At home, we are using this type of centrifugation machine in which cream will be separated from milk, or you can say buttermilk यानी छाछ अलग हो जाती है किससे, कर्ड से. So this method is known as centrifugation. The principle of the method is that due to rotation or agitation, the lighter particle will come up and the denser particle will remain at the bottom of the machine. So at your home, in the form of machine, you are using washing machine for squeezing water from the cloth, okay, as well as mixer. In the mixer also cream can be separated. Now after centrifugation, this method is known as centrifugation. We will do works for next. Again, can you identify what is this? Yes, this is separating funnel. Two immiscible liquid can be separated. Now, next, this experimental setup that is for sublimation. Next, we will take the method known as distillation. Distillation is a method in which this type of experimental setup, a complicated typical experimental setup, and here the principle of the method is if two miscible liquids are there and their boiling point difference is more than 25 degree, then we can use simple distillation. This is experimental setup for simple distillation. So the temperature difference is more than 25 degrees centigrade. Suppose acetone and water liquid we have taken. We will take the mixture miscible liquid. Acetone is fully miscible with water. We will take mixture here in the round bottom flask. Cork is fitted, thermometer is there, and on the clamp it is fitted. As usual, burner for heating it is there. When boiling point of acetone will be reached, then acetone vapors will come out. Here we have fitted one condenser. In the condenser inner tube that is available for the vapors of acetone, and outer part, in the outer part you can see that water is flowing. Here cold water is going inside and hot water is coming outside. It is continuous process. Continue, आप कोल्ड वाटर पास ऑन करते हैं और इधर से हॉट वाटर निकलता है. तो ये कंडेंसर क्या करता है, जो यहाँ वेपर चल रही हैं एसीटोन की और एनी ऑफ द लिक्विड की, उसको क्या करेगा, कंडेंस करेगा. एंड एज बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ एसीटोन इज lesser, we will get first acetone and the second component will remain in the round bottom flask. Next method in our continuation, that is fractional distillation. For the fractional distillation, we will take this type of apparatus. Nothing new here. Only one fractional column is additionally set up as compared to distillation. This is of distillation, and in this fractional distillation, this column is here. So again here we will take the liquid whose temperature difference is below 25 degree centigrade. Suppose below 25 degree centigrade में आप previous method simple distillation use करेंगे, then what will happen, दोनों साथ में आ जाएंगे liquid, both the liquid will come out in the container. In this method we have fitted one fractionating column. In this column so many round balls, जिसको आप कंचे कहते हो, we can add, or we can say that some obstacle between the vapors we have kept, okay, distillation flask में. Then what will happen, suppose you are using alcohol and water mixture. Alcohol has nearly 75 degree centigrade boiling point, water has nearly 100 degree centigrade point, 100 degree centigrade. So what will happen when you will heat it? First alcohol vapor will come up, then the role of fractionating column is here, that this will collide with the vapors of alcohol and a small part of alcohol will be condensed, and by losing the latent heat of vaporization, this heat is taken by other particle and they will move up and the vapor of alcohol will come out. At the same time temperature becomes higher and water is also coming out along with alcohol. Then what will happen, motion, or you can say velocity, kinetic energy of the particles of acetone is higher. They will move up and up, up and up, and water particles in the vapor form they are here. वो भी क्या करेंगे, कोलाइड करेंगे किससे, आपके ऑब्स्टिकल्स से, राउंड बॉल्स से. Then what will happen, they will condense, and by losing enthalpy, by losing heat of latent heat of vaporization, this latent heat of vaporization is taken by the acetone particle, no sorry, not acetone, here alcohol particle, and they will move out. So in all, alcohol and water mixture can be separated by fractional distillation. You know your 8th standard where petroleum was separated in various components. Then also the method of fractional distillation was applied. This method is so useful. From this method we can separate out various components of air. Like we want to prepare pure oxygen, pure nitrogen. From this fractional distillation we can separate the various component of air. Thank you. Now we will read something about the separation of air. For separation of air, what we have to do? First we will take dry air. Then dry air is compressed. Okay, so the particles becomes closer and closer. Then it is cool, cooling of particles occur. Then rapid expansion of particles occurs, so we can have the liquid air. From the liquid air we can remove the solid CO2 gas, that is dry ice. Then we will put this liquid air to the fractional distillation at different and different temperature. The highest boiling point gas will remain at last, means oxygen at last. पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, नंबर लाइन पे आप देखोगे -183 हाईएस्ट होगा टेम्परेचर एंड -196 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, दैट इज द लोएस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. सो इट विल कम आउट येलो नाइट्रोजन गैस, ये पहली बार आएगी. देन followed by organ and the remaining is oxygen part. Okay, this is the flow chart of separation of air. Now the detail of separation of air we will read. This is the experimental setup of separation of air. Okay, here air is coming inside. Then air is under pressure, pressure is applied over air. Then due to applying pressure, more collision will take place and hot air will become. Hot air is getting in the second chamber, hot air is here, and again condenser is fitted here. So ice cold water is going upside. It is taking energy from the outer part of air. So hot air become cool here. This cold compressed air, this cold compressed air will go to the separator, and in the separator, carbon dioxide, dry ice, that is known as dry ice, it will separate out, solidify it is. Next part of liquid air, it will go to the next chamber, and in the liquid air we will, this symbolical presentation is fractional distillation column, and here we add different and different temperature. Nitrogen will come out, here argon will come out, the remaining amount of oxygen can be collected. So separation of air can be done by this experiment. Again back for the separation method. This is the diagram for the separation of compounds under the heading crystallization. Crystallization is done rather than vaporization, as in the vaporization we were heating in the same manner and the remaining residue as solid can remain. Here during crystallization we will heat and boil a solution of solid in liquid. What will happen? Saturated solution will be prepared. Then we can keep aside the saturated solution of mixture. After some time, small crystals will grow automatically, and the mother liquor, the liquid portion will also remain. Then this liquid portion is known as mother liquor, and these crystals are here. Mother liquor can be decanted, ऊपर से इसको निकाल देते हैं. Then we can say that this method is better because only crystallization of pure substance will occur. This method is positively very good for the particular solute, or you can say the solids will decompose before getting the solid during the vaporization. During the vaporization again we will get the solid here. Suppose charring of sugar will take place, or you can say that some liquid can, or liquid or solid can be decomposed before reaching the particular temperature, then this crystallization method is very good. Again one more positive aspect of the method, that इसमें जो soluble impurities होंगी that will remain in blue liquid, जिसको mother liquor कहा है हमने. It means mother liquor can, the soluble impurities can remain in mother liquor, only pure crystal will form. Just you have mystery at home, that type of mystery is prepared from raw sugar by means of crystallization only. Thread inside just to have the support for the growth of crystal, for having bigger crystal. Okay. Now if any method is remaining, we'll continue.